So a key example of a successful use case for this is one of our global partners. Up until recently, they were using our backend PKI services to deliver advanced electronic signatures. They used our Ascertia SAM appliance to become one of the first companies in the world to deliver remote qualified signatures under the regulations set out by eIDAS. What that allowed them to do was deliver remote qualified signing via SigningHub. But what they also had was challenges with a set number of customers that were currently using DocuSign, and they wanted to be able to use our backend PKI services to deliver remote qualified signing under eIDAS to not only SigningHub but also to DocuSign. What the CSC protocol allowed them to do was to use the existing Ascertia solutions to connect their signing services not only to SigningHub but also to DocuSign over the standardized CSC protocol. And now they're able to offer not only remote qualified signing to SigningHub users but to DocuSign users, to AdobeSign users, and to pretty much any existing application that wishes to use remote qualified signing and will be able to adhere to the standards set out by the CSC protocol.
One of the interesting things you mentioned earlier, Nick, was also around how business systems can leverage off of CSC and how they can benefit from following the CSC API protocol. I would, let's say in this real world example, as a consumer of a signing service, I've got signing system A and I want to sign my documents. I would be able to sign those documents with, let's say in this example, SigningHub. I'm signing within SigningHub, but tomorrow I'm getting a document from a different services provider and I need to sign that document. If that service provider is not following CSC, I wouldn't be able to sign that document with my SigningHub certificate. The same applies for business systems. Within a business system, you would always have, let's say you've got a captured audience of 40,000 users within that business system. You're always going to get some external requests to sign with a different signing services provider. But if your business system were to adhere to or to follow the CSC API protocols, that would also mean that whenever you send out a document, external parties would be able to sign that same document with their existing CSC compliant signing solution. So I think that would be a major benefit for business systems as well, and it just ensures that there's interoperability between all these systems and there's the ability for business systems to potentially add an additional revenue stream to their existing software sales.